In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password from an administrator account on Windows 11. First, open Settings by pressing the Windows key plus I. In the Settings window, click Accounts in the left sidebar. On the right side, click Sign In Options. This opens the section where Windows manages how you sign in. Find Password and click it to expand the option. Then click Change. Windows will now ask you to confirm your current password before making any changes. Type your current password carefully, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll see three fields: New Password, Confirm Password, and Password Hint. Leave all three of these completely blank. Do not type anything into any of the boxes. With those fields empty, click Next. Then click Finish. At this point, the password for that administrator account has been removed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's go through the second method. Click the Start button, then type CMD. In the results, look to the right panel and click Run as administrator. If you get a user account control prompt, click Yes. Now you need to enter the command that removes the password from the account. Type the command shown on screen and replace your username with your actual Windows account name. As you type, enter the account name exactly as it appears on your PC, because the command uses that name to target the correct account. Once the full command is entered, press Enter. When the command runs successfully, you'll see the message, "The command completed successfully." That confirms the password has been removed. If you do not know the exact account name, type NetUser, then press Enter. Windows will display a list of user accounts on the computer. Look through that list, find the correct account name, and then type the password removal command again, using that exact name in place of your username. Press Enter to run it. To verify that the password was removed, lock your PC by pressing the Windows key plus L. On the lock screen, try signing into the account. You should be able to enter by clicking the account name or pressing Enter, and there should be no password field shown. That confirms the administrator account no longer has a password set.